In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to emboss in Fusion 360. If you've ever wanted to wrap text or a logo cleanly around a curved surface like a bottle or a cylinder, this is the most reliable way to do it while keeping a consistent wall thickness. First, you'll create your sketch. Start a new sketch on a plane that sits in front of your model, not directly on the curved face. Placing the sketch out in front gives the emboss tool room to project your design onto the surface without distorting it. Add your text or import your design into this sketch. For text, choose a bold or solid font rather than a single line font because the tool needs closed profiles to create a true raised surface. Set the size and spacing so the design fits the area you plan to wrap, and make sure all shapes are closed and clean. When it looks right, finish the sketch. Next, open the Emboss tool. In the Solid Workspace toolbar, go to Create, then select Emboss. This opens a dialog with the key settings you'll use. Now select your profile, click the sketch you just created so it appears in the Sketch Profiles field. You can select multiple letters or shapes at once if your text is broken into separate profiles. Fusion 360 will outline the selected regions, letting you confirm that the exact areas you want to emboss are active. Then select your face, click the curved or flat surface of the body where you want the design to appear. The tool projects your sketch onto that face, wrapping it along the curvature while maintaining a uniform thickness. Use the on-screen preview to check placement. If the projection looks skewed, verify that your sketch plane is roughly parallel to the area you're targeting, or adjust the sketch's position so it's centered over the face. Set your depth and choose Emboss. In the dialog, make sure the operation is set to emboss so the design raises outward. Adjust the depth value to control how far it stands off the surface. Use the direction arrow in the graphics window if you need to flip the direction. Keep an eye on the preview to avoid excessive thickness that could cause self-intersections on tight curves. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply the emboss. That's it. You've projected your design onto the surface with a uniform, professional-looking result. Save your file, and you're ready to refine materials, add fillets to soften edges, or continue modeling.